Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Let's start with some laughing but get to the crafting. Okay guys, for this project we'll need, this is a candle holder from a Dollar Tree. Then this is like a styrofoam cone shaped. They are sold at the Walmart in a sets of 2, so I'm gonna use one of those. Then we're gonna use a little piece of baby blanket from Dollar Tree. I already chopped a lot of stuff out, so this would be perfect. A bead, some pom-poms, a yarn. You can use any yarn you would like. I just have this massive roll that I'm trying to use it. And we're gonna need some white chalk paint, some Mod Podge, and a little bit of Epsom salt, because I try to make my gnome look like he's a little bit in the snow. So, and that is all. Okay, so while the paint is still drying, I'm gonna wrap this baby blanket over this cone. Okay, so I'm gonna use this placker that I have on hand, and what I'll do, I'll wrap it a bunch of times, my yarn around it, to make the gnome's beard. Okay guys, so to make my yarn tassel Christmas tree sign, I'm gonna use this. It's from the last year frame. I think I got it at the Dollar General, I would think. It had a reef and all kinds of different stuff, but I am gonna clean it off, sand it, paint it with my Rust-Oleum chalk paint in a color plaster. And then to make a tree, I will be using this just yarn from the Dollar Tree. I was so impressed that they start carrying the yarn. Mine finally had it. So it's gonna be a really cute and really easy sign that will make amazing decoration. Okay guys, so to make the little tassel, you get a yarn and you're just gonna wrap around your fingers, 4 fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I did 10, 11, 12. So, and then I'm just gonna let it go at the end, cut it. Trying to cut it nicely. Okay, and I'm just gonna lay it down and then cut myself a little bigger one so I can tie it and make the top. So let's just do this. You just tie it. It's probably, there's an easy way to do it, but this is the way I always done it. So it worked for me. So this is why I'm doing it that way. So just like that, kind of straighten everything out. So and make a knot one more time so it doesn't comes off. So I cut those. I'm gonna use different scissors. So this way, and then you're gonna take the bottom ones, which I'll cut this one as well because I don't like it sticking out. And you go through the loops and you just, that's it. And here's your little tassel. Okay, so this is dry. I think it turned out pretty cool. I like the color. Now I'm gonna assemble my tree. So I'm gonna start with the top and I'm gonna use a little bit of hot glue to shape up the head. So now I'm gonna go all the way down, and then at the bottom, to make a stick, I'm gonna use one of my cinnamon sticks. I got a bag of 200 and I still really like it. It's actually in my Amazon store. Link in the description below if you want to see. Okay, so it's done. I think it turned out adorable, but I kind of would like like a little burlap bow over here, and you can make one. I just I had purchased a lot long time ago. It was a variety of different ones. It will be linked in the description below if you want to use exactly that one. So, and this is it. This is gonna be my really cute Christmas decoration. Okay guys, for this project we'll need a Dollar Tree sled sign, a couple of pieces of garland that was from a Dollar Tree as well, that's just leftovers for me, some pine cones, ribbon. I'm gonna make a bow out of these two ribbons. I will need to use, I'm planning to use one of this poinsettia from the Dollar Tree, a bell, it's all as a decoration, and some Beverly white chalk paint to paint the sled white. Okay guys, first I'm gonna use a little sanding block from the Dollar Tree to sand out all the glitter from our sign. Okay, so while the sled is still drying, I'm gonna use my easy bow maker to make a cute little bow that I will attach right in the middle of the sled, and I will show you on speed through how I made it. If you want to see a full tutorial, I actually have a video how to use the bow maker. I will drop it in the description box if you want to check it out. Okay, so the sled is almost done. So what I'll do, I will dip my brush, dry brush, into my Beverly chalk paint, and I touch a little bit of my greenery so it looks like it has a snow on it. Okay, for this project we need this. It looks like a frame from a Dollar Tree, a candle holder. Then I have this, what is it called? Mini wreath. Ain't a wreath, but okay. So, and there's a couple things fall off, so I'm gonna try to use that. And then I already showed you, this is like a leftovers that I am collecting. So I got a couple I might dip in here. And then I have a pretty little bird ornament that I'll use it. So also I'll be using this leftover from the towel, kitchen towel from the Dollar Tree. And what I'll be doing, I would like to put inside of this buffalo check plaid material. But before I do that, I will paint the frame with my Beverly chalk paint in a color of hazelnut, and the candle holder, which would be the holder for it, just like that. I will use its color, same Beverly chalk paint, but the color is truffle. So I'm gonna paint them first, so while they dry I will cut this portion and kind of get it ready for it. Okay guys, for this project we'll need 3 books. I got random books from Dollar Tree. So what I'll do, I'll glue them together, and then I will use my Beverly chalk paint to paint them. Then you will need any kind of sign. I like peace, and it came in sets of 3, so I already used joy, and I thought peace would be lovely with this one. A bow. You can see how I made it. I linked in the description below how I made that bow. A couple of greeneries, some birds. They were in the ornament section of a Dollar Tree. And this rustic bell, it actually came in one of this greenery that I took it off. So that is all what we'll need. And of course, from the tools, we'll need the scissors, the brush, the glue gun, and everything. Also, it will be linked as the supplies in the description below. Okay, so the book is, well, the books are dry, and I glued them in place. Now I'm gonna attach my peace sign to the side of it. Well, after I wrap the bow around it and do some kind of decoration, peace probably will be the last thing I will attach to it. So I like this ribbon from the Dollar Tree, but I wanted to make it a little bit more prettier, so I will use this crochet ribbon, and I will add it to the middle. I actually got it from burlapfabric.com, so I will link everything in the description below if you guys want to look it up. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Elena and this is my DIY channel, Elena Jenkins DIY. I'm so excited to see you guys here. I post videos weekly. Crafting is my passion and I love to share them with you. Okay guys, for this project we'll need a top ear pumpkin sign that I saved from the Halloween or fall. Then we need this decorated felt ornament kit. It's a snowman and all I'll be using is this part. So then we'll be using 2 chalk paints, one in the color ink, one in the color white. So that's that. Then some decorative that is from my greenery, leftovers, 1 pine cone, a couple of snowflakes, and we'll need a couple of ribbons so I can make a bow. Also out of this I will be making a scarf for the snowman. So, and also one of the pipe cleaners, a couple of brushes, and a glue gun. Okay, so what I am doing now, I'm using my Waverly white chalk paint and I am painting all the way to his hat. Then I will do the hat with my same Waverly chalk paint but in the color ink. Okay, so what I'll do next, I will Mod Podge the second and the third layers of my snowman, and then I will add a little bit of Epsom salt along with the fox snow to kind of make him look snowy a little bit. Okay, so while my snowman is still drying with his snow and the Mod Podge, I'm gonna make it a small little bow by using a Dollar Tree, this buffalo check ribbon.